Hi, my name is Leeann and I'm a student at Manchester Metropolitan University, and today I'll be showing you how to prepare some very famous Shanghainese minced meat noodles, which is very popular for Chinese New Year and for all the festive seasons. So to all my fellow Chinese students planning to come here or who are studying here, you don't need to worry that you're away from home and not get the chance to eat it, because everything that you would use back home is actually available here in Chinatown. So let's take a look at what we need. You would need to have Shanghai noodles, which you can buy at Oseo on Oxford Road or any shop in Chinatown. If you are vegetarian, we can use some corn mince, and you can purchase spicy preserved vegetables at any store in Chinatown. This is the key ingredient to it. It's basically a minced soy bean paste sauce. This is the key ingredient to actually get the aromatic and spicy flavor. And you would just need some beef. So the first step is to actually just fry garlic with some Chinese mushrooms. Subsequently, you add some beef or pork mince and you let it fry. You grab a bundle of noodles. So you put the noodles into the boiling hot water and you continue stirring this. Once it's more or less cooked, you throw the sauce in. It's just basically a soybean paste with some chilies and spices, and then just stir it in and add a cup of water in this thing, and then you'll have your sauce ready. You can scoop the noodles out to the side and basically help yourself with a generous serving of the sauce on top of the noodles, and you dump it on top. I can probably add another one with some mushroom on it. And put it on top. And just stir, and there you go. That's Shanghainese minced meat noodles. And for garnishing, you can actually add some preserved vegetables on top.